How to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and we will learn on how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to press Windows plus R to open the RON window. Type in Prefetch and hit Enter on your keyboard or OK button. Now you will reach on the section where you need to select all the files, or simply you can press on Ctrl plus A to select all this file. Now you can easily press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete these files. The next thing you can do is simply you can press on Windows plus R again in order to open the run command or the run window, and you can delete this prefetch, and now simply type in percent and temp and percent and press enter on your keyboard. Now here also you need to select all the files by pressing on Ctrl plus A. Once you have done that, you simply need to press on Shift plus Delete button to delete all these folders or files. And lastly, you can easily press again Windows plus R to open the RON window. And here you simply need to type clean mgr and hit OK or enter on your keyboard. And here you simply need to select your C drive. And then you need to check all the boxes, for example, temporary internet files, download program files, and everything like recycle and the options given here. And then click on OK button to clean up all this file. So this will clear all the junk files and boost your computer's performance. So in this way, you can easily delete or clear all the cache and junk on your Windows 11 or 10. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.